I'm Benji. They call me Black
Benji, man. Black
Black Benji. President of Savage Nomads. Yeah.
Yeah, where do you come from?
St. Thomas.
All over.
How long have you been here?
For about 16 years.
Are the Savage Nomads a tough gang?
Very so.
Yeah.
Very much so.
How about you? What's your name?
Blackie.
Blackie, and what's the name of your guys?
Savage Skulls.
Savage Skulls. Any of the guys belong to both groups?
Nah, we're just two different cliques. It's the same. It's one clique, but two different names.
Do you help each other out?
Yeah.
Definitely. Like, we went to go down against these bachelors, and they didn't show up, so we had to go down their way. And like, they still didn't show up. They was hiding out, you know, they was scared. It's the regular punk thing, you know? After we came back, the cops tried to bust a couple of the guys, you know, but then we all stuck up, you know, we threw a couple of gas bombs at them just to make it look good, you know? And so they started panicking and whatnot, so they let the guys go. And so then Blackie went up to them he had a gun on him, they didn't want to serve. They knew he was packing the pieces, big old 38 Magnum sticking out.
Like, they want to make it a racial problem, you know? So we didn't want that, you know? So I jumped in, I put him for my boy, because he's a black brother. You know? So we made an unracial problem.